Hi! In this video, we'll gradually turn a traditional accordion Oom-Pah Oom-Pah pattern into a more flexible jazz left hand. Each exercise shows one clear idea. Let's go step by step. In the first exercise, I keep the basic bass chord pattern, but whenever possible, I connect the fifth of the one chord to the root of the next chord using a half step. Here I focus on chords that leads for 2 bars. In the second bar, I play 4 bass notes that lead to the next chord. These are single bass notes, not chords. Now I combine both ideas. Sometimes short connections, sometimes a full bar of bass movement. This time I focus on dominant going to the tonic. I play 4 bass notes to build tension and lead to the next chord. Now I return to the bass chord pattern, but the bass uses different chord tones, like root, third, fifth and 7. It still sounds like Oom-Pah Oom-Pah, but it's richer and more flexible. Now it's your turn. Mix these ideas however you like, make it your own and enjoy. All examples are written down in the free PDF, link below. Don't forget to subscribe, enjoy your practice, and let me know in the comments how it goes.